person who is trying his best, or one who is trying her best to obey the instructions of Allah. It's not easy at times to fulfill the obligations that Allah has placed on our shoulders. It's a challenge, but that's what life is all about. Keep going. Don't give up. Allah knows your weakness. Allah knows you're weak, but Allah wants you to keep trying. Don't give up. Don't ever think I've got this bad habit, it's just not leaving me. Keep trying. A day will come when inshallah you will quit it. Be strong. Learn to develop yourself. The power that you'd like to show is needed to be used within yourself to overcome your own weaknesses. You need more energy to control temper than you actually need to vent it and punch someone. That's why the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, says, a powerful person is not one who can punch up others and out-wrestle them. That's not power. The real strength is the one who can control himself when he's angry. Allahu Akbar.